up, YouTube? It's your girl Dani Dior, and I'm back with more. I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Dani. I like to eat, do my hair, and get cute to go nowhere. Period. Poop. Today I'm doing a little, not necessarily a lookbook, but just a haul that I got from Fashion Nova. If you recall, I went to South Africa and I brought all these cute clothes that I couldn't wear. This was mainly because it's currently winter in South Africa due to them being on like the opposite side of the world. So yeah, it didn't pass 60, let alone 50 degrees most of the days. But today I decided to give you guys a try on haul because I still have yet to try these clothes on. So this is the first time that me and you both will see it. This is not a sponsorship, so I don't have a code for you guys, but this stuff is like super cute. And plus, Fashion Nova is always having sales, so you either get right or get left. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. I hate how my room is black, so like when I try on stuff, it's just like. So here we have this black, all black two-piece set. It came with the top and then these kind of like Bermuda cut, just regular biker shorts. I did get a size medium, but I probably should have got a small because the top is just, it doesn't adjust. It's kind of like, this is how it is, so whether you have boobs or not to fill it, that's on you. But the material is great. I thought it was gonna give, you know, like dry fit, because sometimes I don't like how that feels on like sets, but this is very comfy, very cozy. I actually wore this outfit already and I just paired it with my glasses from Fergu, code Dani if you want some money off, and then my off-white waffle racers. So, you know, something simple. And I just had a black crossbody bag. It's like a cozy vibe. Like you can either dress it up or dress it down, but I would more so assume dress down, only because of like just the style and nature of it. But I do give this fit a 10 because you can't go wrong with all black. So on to the next we have this yellow scrunch dress, and honestly this dress is not too bad. It's not too bad. It's a vibe. I just, of course I would have to wear a bra because these are not part of the fit, but very soft material. Like I can tell it's cotton, but it kind of feels like a mix of spandex. I don't really know how to explain it, but it does have buttons, so if you want to, but like these, they don't unbutton. All the way down they don't unbutton, but these, they do button. So if you want to go for the more conservative look and button it all the way up, or if you want to like leave it how it is, then yeah. All of my shoes are actually still downstairs because I had to unpack from college, but I feel like this is definitely a dress that you can dress up and down, pair it with some heels, or dress it down with some sandals, and just for a cute day out. So I actually don't have a yellow purse, so I just paired it up with this holographic purse from Lovely Wholesale, and yeah, just keep it something cute, something cordial. Like I said, you can dress it up or dress it down, but because of the material, I'm really messing with this dress. I give it a 10. This one is definitely giving it for throw it back to the 99 2000. Okay, let's just take a moment for the romper. So I got this romper in a size medium. Okay, so the bottom fits good, it fits nice, it fits tight like how it's supposed to, but then the top is just, it's giving, like, I don't know, it's giving bodybuilder, but once again it's probably just me because everything else, it's nice, it's snug. And the pockets, they're actually deeper than I would have expected. You know, put here, or even if I wanted to like put my phone in here and not worry about it falling out. Now this part is, oh, it is detachable, but I decided to just, you know, tie it. You can either let it drop down like that. I decided to do a bow and have it like this. So So the top, these 2 pockets, you can definitely put stuff in there. I don't know what exactly. And I probably have to wear this with a bra because this space up here is just not doing me any justice. Okay, that looks better. It's giving the fine auntie, but I ain't gonna fight too much. I just paired this up with these denim slippers. Says GBG. Not sure what brand that is, but my granny got me these, so I just thought it would be like a little, you know, cute denim on denim outfit. Even if you're not even trying to go for like a 2000s look, I would definitely wear this out on a regular day. And then I had this navy blue Calvin Klein backpack. Probably not to wear on my back, but either just like, you know, both straps on one shoulder, or even to just hold it by the top like this. I feel like this is definitely giving a girl's cookout. I don't know about y'all, but it's giving fine auntie, it's giving cookout, and it's giving 99 2000. So I'm gonna give it a 9 because the space up here is just, it's like, what are we doing, you know? Like, why is it so roomy? Like I said, it's probably just me because I'm always a problem. Okay, I just had to come back. Like, did I just put a whole fit together? I did. Am I gonna wear this tomorrow? I probably am. So I guess I give it a 10 now or whatever. But on to the next outfit, y'all. Okay, so here's the thing, child. By this time, probably like outfit number 4, your girl is tired, very much thirsty, and I did not feel like going downstairs to get some water. So this is just me showing you guys how it looks, trying it on. Not really much to say, and for the next couple of fits, I will also be mute. So let's just enjoy my pretty voice mix. So here's the next fit, you guys, and to be honest, this is probably my fave next to the romper, even though it's like low-key basic, but that's what I love about it, because not only is it super affordable, as you can see, but the material is very, very comfortable, and I feel like this, you can also dress it up, dress it down, or just do whatever you want with this dress. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. In all honesty, if y'all can count the amount of times that I've yawned, I would literally send you $1. But this outfit, before y'all try to get on me, because y'all know how y'all be, I did not buy this as a set. This was a top and a skirt that I decided to pair together because I thought it would be cute, you know, like a little going out vibe. However, the oranges did not match, and I'm not saying that everything you wear is have to be matchy, but this just wasn't the look I was going for, so I probably won't be wearing them together. But they're cute though. So you guys, that was the last fit from Fashion Nova. Once again, this isn't a sponsorship, so I don't have a code for you guys, but like I said previously, it's Fashion Nova. Y'all know you can get this for like 80% off. But anyways, if all hearts and minds are clear, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for my new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, Dior Dynasty.